Filtering data in Alteryx allows you to selectively include or exclude records based on specific criteria. Here's how to filter data effectively. Input data. Begin by bringing your data into Alteryx using an input data tool, which connects to various data sources such as files, databases, or APIs. Drag filter tool. On the workflow canvas, drag a filter tool onto the canvas after the input data tool. Configure filter. Double-click the filter tool to open its configuration window. Define your filtering criteria using conditions such as equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, contains, starts with, etc. Apply conditions. Use the drop-down menus and text boxes in the filter tool to specify the fields and values for your filter conditions. You can add multiple conditions to refine your filter logic. Preview and validate. Preview the data after applying the filter to ensure it meets your requirements. Alteryx provides a preview panel where you can see how your data will look post-filtering. Run workflow. Run the workflow to execute the filter operation. Alteryx processes the data according to the filter conditions you've set. Output filtered data. Connect an output data tool after the filter tool to save or export the filtered data to your desired format or destination.